Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Getting really cold in this workshop now. What we've done, we've taken one of these Chinese heaters, put a battery on the back. We can charge the battery with this lead. Okay, that plugs in here. Air filter up there. Got a piece of wood. I'm going to put some heat-proof insulation under this because obviously this is the exhaust. Okay, so we're going to have heat-proof insulation under there like they use on the engine bays of a hot car. You know, the asbestos covered stuff, because you can see here it's melted something already. Okay, but basically this is all you need to heat a workshop or heat a room. This can obviously then, being solidly mounted on there, or tight enough for now till we've set this, that will fit to an exhaust which can go out your door. They're quite noisy, so you could actually run this thing outside. And the great thing is, here's all the details here. If we turn it on, you can see, just about see it anyway, that's gonna fire up. Okay, this particular one's got 4 outlets. You can get them with one big outlet as well. So this one's got 4, so we can actually use this outside to heat 2 or 3 rooms at the same time. But basically it's just on a piece of wood. Ideally it wants a piece of steel underneath, and we're going to put some actual fireproof asbestos stuff underneath that. Otherwise it might burn that, because we did actually have it on the carpet and it did actually burn it. You can see here, very simple, not too heavy to carry around either, but it certainly works, and it's very good. Okay, so if we were to turn this thing on, okay, you see all this bullshit going on, but basically that will fire up. Okay, you'll hear the pump start, air through there, exhaust gas out here. What you could do, I was thinking, is actually put a heat exchanger on this as well. So you could actually have fins on this, so it would actually heat the air going out the room as well when the exhaust is going out. But it should work really well, in my opinion. If you're interested in any help, give us a call. Cheap enough off eBay. I think we paid 104 quid for this thing, and this is 5 kilowatt, which is adjustable as well. Thank you. But very easy to run. Basically got to turn it on. You can hear it now pumping, if you can hear that or not, but the fuel pump's going now. I've pressed the on. Okay, and in a minute it's just going to be spraying hot diesel in there, diesel tank on the top. We reckon this thing's about 5p or 10p an hour to run, so it's going to be way cheaper than running the thing we've got. And also this one's 5 kilowatts, not 2 kilowatt. Ooh. But yeah, it just started to go now. Just started to feel the heat. If you can feel that, well, you can't. But yeah, very simple to do. Just want a 12-volt battery, basic piece of wood, and then obviously you can hear now, feel the heat coming out of there as well. So it's firing up. It's obviously got to heat all the inside bits. But should be a fantastic addition to our workshop, and also we're going to stick it outside the building as well, and just pipe it inside as well. Thank you.